Protein and what you're being taught about protein is the biggest, most dangerous prevailing myth in the nutritional science community today. I don't know where these scientists are and these nutritionists are. They haven't caught up with the literature and the data and the empirical evidence that those of us that are really sincere about your health have read and follow. What we do know is glycation, where proteins of all type come together with sugar, is the #1 biological cause, along with free radical damage, which is caused by glycation for every known disease, as well as premature aging. The idea that we need 50 grams or 75 grams of protein, or to build muscles to large size, you need astronomical amounts of protein, destroys your health and ages you. Anyone who happens to be interested in the truth and what we know now at the beginning of the 21st century can find the same evidence that I'm now speaking about. Here at Hippocrates now for 6 decades, we have taken hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people off all forms of heavy, undigestible protein. The resulting effect is they reverse diseases and we remain young and vital well into our age. This is the living proof. Maybe it's called anecdotal by the arrogant and academic scientific community, but I don't consider myself anecdotal or the thousands that I've helped come back to life. Eliminate that protein, take plant-based proteins, and don't go by these so-called standards that were fabricated by the people who sell you protein. An addendum to the prevailing protein myth is that you have been so brainwashed by the meat and dairy industry, who pervades the academic community and the literature that you read in school, that you literally think that you require eating animal protein. Now, if you want a 10-second lesson in protein, all life on this planet comes from the sun. It is captured on the leaf of a plant. I'll repeat this. All life on this planet comes from the sun. It is captured on the leaf of a plant. That's called photosynthesis. All nutrients are on the leaf of a plant. The highest amount of proteins, vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids, trace minerals, etc., etc., etc. The concept that you have pure, free-range, quote, organic animal-based foods makes no difference. The human body cannot tolerate, will not tolerate, and will show you how it doesn't tolerate by causing disease and premature aging. Whey is a waste product from the dairy industry. I don't care if you get it from the fields of New Zealand where they claim they have, quote, organic animals. The truth is whey should not be in the human body. That particular protein helps to expedite the development of cancer in your human system. If you look at all of these so-called myths that are even in the prevailing health food community, like kefir is good for you because it has some magical form of bacteria. Inadequate bacteria, bacteria that's out of balance, and in fact unhealthy for you and your heart. What we do know here after 60 years of empirical research and evidence on humans is that no human being ever needs any form of animal-based food, be it organic or non-organic.